Hello students, I hope you will be fine. We were on exercise 1C in which we have done question number 1 and 2. Now question number 3. The question is 35 minus this bracket I told you curly bracket plus 15 plus 14 minus small bracket 13 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3 small bracket close, then curly bracket close. Two brackets are given, small bracket and curly bracket. And one more thing, you can see this line. This line is Vinklum. This line is Vinklum. So Vinklum is on 2 minus 1 plus 3. It means first we will solve this much portion. So rest of the numbers bracket we will write as it is. So 35 minus curly bracket 15 plus 14 minus 30. We will write as it is. Now about Vinklum. See in this, here we will do directly. Two numbers are positive. 2 and 3 are positive. So 2 and 3, 5. What we will get? 5. So we will write plus 5, only one negative number, that is 1. So 5 minus 1. This will inside the Vinklum. So small bracket close, then curly bracket close. See, 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1. Then 35 minus curly bracket 15 plus 14 minus small bracket 13. So 5 minus 1, what we will get? 4. Positive 4, here also positive, it means plus 4. Small bracket close, curly bracket close. Listen about this 4. We can write directly 4 also here. It is not needed that we will write this step. It is not compulsory that we will write this step. See, we can write 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1 directly we can write this step. So now we will solve this small bracket. So 35 minus curly bracket 15 plus 14. So 13 plus 4, 17. Positive 17. Here is minus. So minus plus minus 17. Curly bracket close. Now this curly bracket. So 35 minus. First we will add positive numbers. So two numbers are positive, 15 and 14. Then 17 is negative. So 15 plus 14 will get 29. Then minus 70. Then 35. Then 29 minus 17, 12. Plus 12. Here we have positive 12. Here minus. So minus plus minus 12. Now 35 minus 12. What we will get? 23 is the answer. 35 minus curly bracket 15 plus 14 minus 13. 2 and 3 are positive. So 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1. Vinklum will remain as it is on 5 and 1. So 35 minus curly bracket 15 plus 14 minus then bracket 13 plus 4. Then we will solve 13 plus 4, 17. Minus plus minus 17. Now we will add positive numbers. 15 plus 14, 29 minus 17. So 35, 29 minus 17, 12 minus plus minus 12. 35 minus 12, 23 is the answer. Now fourth sum. 27 minus curly bracket 13 plus 4 minus small bracket 8 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, on 1 plus 3 Vinklum is there and small bracket close, then curly bracket close. So according to the rule, first we will solve Vinklum. So rest we will write as it is. See, 27 minus curly bracket 13 plus 4 minus 8 plus 4. See, 1 plus 3, 4, positive 4. And out of income is minus sign. So minus plus minus 4. Small bracket close, then curly bracket close. Now we will solve this small bracket after this curly bracket. First Vinculum, then small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. Square bracket is not present in this question. So small bracket. 27 minus curly bracket 13 plus 4 minus. See how we can solve this. So it is better here plus 4, here minus 4, plus 4, minus 4. Or see this, 8 plus 4, 2 are positive, 8 plus 4, 12. Then only one negative, minus 4. This small bracket close. 2 positive, 8 and 4. So 12, then only one negative, minus 4. So we will solve this again. So 27 minus curly bracket 13 plus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 12 minus 4, 8. Positive 8 minus plus minus 8. Curly bracket close. Now we will solve this curly bracket. 27 minus curly bracket. First see positive. 13 and 4 are positive. So 13 plus 4, 17. Then minus 8. Curly bracket close. So 27, 17 minus 8, 9, minus plus minus 9. So 27 minus 9, 18. So 18 is the answer. See, 27 minus curly bracket 13 plus 4 minus small bracket 8 plus 4. 1 plus 3, 4. So minus 4. After solving this, here 8, positive 8, minus plus minus 8. Now 13 and 4, 2 are positive, 17 minus 8. So 17 minus 8, 9, minus plus minus 9. So 27 minus 9, 18. 18 is the answer. Now students, fifth sum. All three brackets are given in this sum. You can see small bracket, curly bracket, and third one is square bracket. Vinculum is not given. So first we will solve this small bracket by using D mass. So rest we will write 46 minus square bracket 26 minus curly bracket 14 minus this small bracket. So see, divide is given. Yes, divide is given. Minus 4 divide 2. First we will solve this. So 15, 2 2s are 4. Minus plus. So minus 2, then multiply 2. Small bracket close, curly bracket, then square bracket. See, 2 2s are 4. Minus 2, then this multiply 2. First we will solve this much portion. That is coming minus 2. After divide, multiply. So we will solve this, multiply. So 46 minus 26 minus curly bracket 14 minus small bracket. So 15. 2 2s are 4. Minus plus minus 4. Close curly bracket also, square bracket. Now we will solve this and open this bracket also. We will solve and open this bracket. 46 minus square bracket 26 minus curly bracket 14. 15 minus 4, 11. Minus plus minus 11. Curly bracket, then square bracket. Now we will see this curly bracket. 46 minus is 26. 14 minus 11. 3 minus plus minus 3. Is close. 46. 26 minus 3. 23. Positive 23 is inside the bracket. So minus plus minus 23. So 46 minus 23, 23 is the answer. Now sixth sum. Small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. So first of all we will solve small bracket. So 45 60 divide 3 minus this bracket we will solve. According to the Demas, divide is present. So 3 3s are 9. So 6 minus 3. 3 3s are 9. This close. Divide this 3 curly bracket then square bracket. Now we will solve this and open also. So 45 minus 38 minus curly bracket 60 divide 3. 6 minus 3 3. 6 minus 3 3. Here is minus, so minus plus minus 3. This divide 3. Curly bracket close, then square bracket close. Now next bracket is curly bracket. We will solve by using Demas in this bracket. So 45 minus, now see according to the Demas, divide, yes, this one and this one. In two portion divide is present in this curly bracket. So when we will divide 60 divide 3, when we will divide 60 by 3, what we will get? 20. Then 3 divide 3, so 3 1 the 3 minus 1. Curly bracket close. Then square bracket. This portion after solving this we will get 20. Then this portion minus 1. So now we will solve this. 45 minus 38. 20 minus 1, 19. Minus plus minus 19. Square bracket close. So 45, 38 minus 19, 19 minus plus minus 19. So 45 minus 19. 1 is here, 10, 29, 10, 39. So 26 is the answer. Now seventh sum. In this sum, all the brackets and Venn all the things are given. So first of all, we will solve Venn. So 30 plus 13 minus 3, we will get 10. So minus 10. 10 is square bracket. Now we will solve a small bracket. So 30 plus curly bracket minus 2 multiply 25 minus 10, 15. Then curly bracket close, then square bracket. 25 minus 10, 15 minus 2 multiply 15. So 30 plus this square bracket. Now minus 2 multiply 15. So 15 to the 30. Minus plus minus 30. This is square bracket. 15 to the 30 minus plus minus 30. Now we will open this square bracket. So 30 plus minus minus 30. So 30 minus 30 0. So 30 plus this square bracket minus square bracket curly bracket minus 2 multiply 3. Then both the bracket close. So 15 to the 30 minus plus minus 30. So 30 plus minus minus 30. 30 minus 30 0. The video carefully. Watch it again and again to understand the video or content. Then do these homework sums. Thank you and have a good day.